Good morning, everyone. Once again, this is Black Forest coming to you with another market analysis video currency breakdown. This morning, we're going to be looking at the USDCAD. But before we get started to break down this Forex pair and this chart, we have to state that this video is for educational purposes only. This is not for financial advice. But we all know why you guys are here. You want to find good, credible Forex content that can help improve your ability as a trader and that can help put a little bit of extra money in your pocket, okay? So why do the hard work when we would do it for you? All you have to do is watch the videos, like the video, subscribe to the channel so you can continue to be able to get notifications for the videos as soon as they drop, and we'll do the hard work for you at Black Forex because trading can be complicatedly simple, but we'll take care of the complicated parts. So all you simply have to do is just make the money, okay? So, with all that said, let's go ahead and dive into what's happening on this Forex, on this chart, and with this currency pair. Okay. So, let us discuss what is going on with the Forex pair before we get discussing the technical analysis. Because here at Black Forex, we understand the fundamentals is what dictates whether these charts go and how they move. It is not technical analysis. Technical analysis is the last thing that you do. Okay, so the Canadian dollar. Okay, we did have some news come out about the Canadian dollar, and we've been having a lot. We've been having a lot more negative news and positive news come out about the Canadian dollar. But was also driving it to be it was also driving its weakness as well. Okay, is the price of oil because the Canadian dollar has a traditional relationship with oil that because one of Canada's major exports, believe it or not, is oil. Okay, so every time the prices per barrel of oil go up, the Canadian dollar gains value. Every time the prices per value of oil go down, the Canadian dollar loses value. Okay. Now, this is a very unique currency pair because both these currencies are being affected by oil. Okay. Now, the USD has what you call a non traditional relationship with oil because of this current geopolitical economic climate. Okay. All right. So basically, we're in a situation where that with gas prices being high, right? If gas prices continue to climb, the USD will lose value. If oil prices go down, then the USD will gain value. This is solely due to consumers having more money or less money to spend in the stores. Okay. So if gas prices can start to go back up or continue to go back up higher than what they were previously, then we're going to be in a situation where we're going to be in a situation where consumers have a lot less money to spend in the stores because they have to spend the money in the gas pump, which is going to cause the economy to stagnate or to shrink. Okay, but if gas continues to go down or stay where they are, that means consumers are going to have a lot more available money because they're not spending it on gas, which means that they're going to be spending it in the stores, and the economy is going to continue to grow, which means that the U.S. dollar will continue to get stronger. Now, this non-traditional relationship only exists when you have high gas prices due to geopolitical events. Okay, and the geopolitical event that surged the high gas prices was the Russian sanctions on oil. When they decided to sanction Russian oil, it caused an artificial decrease in the oil circulation around the world, which drove up prices of oil. Okay, so that's the situation that we're in. Both these currencies' weakness and strength is being driven by one factor, which is, or well, several different factors, but the major factor is oil. So, oil prices is something that we are going to have to pay attention to when we're looking at currencies concerning USD and the CAD. Okay, so with that being said, let's go ahead and break down what's happening on the chart. Okay, so you can see we was going down, going down, going down, then we flattened out, then we boom, we broke to this area here. And now we did have so much of a pushback, but now we're looking like we're continuing to go up. So this is a lot more this is positive for us to continue to go up. So how high can we go? We can go as high as here or even here being a new target area, but we eventually will have a drop in price before we get there. Okay, so for right now, this is looking like we're going to get to this area here before we have a drop into price, probably possibly here or here before we continue to go back up. Okay, so as long as the current fundamentals hold, one of several scenarios can play out. We can range here, then continue to go up. We can range a little bit, have a pathetic push down, and then push up. Okay, that's as long as the current fundamentals hold and oil continues to drop. So once again, let's go over that. We can range out from here, then push up, or we could range out from this area here, have a pathetic push down, and then push up back towards the long side. Okay, hope that information was helpful for you guys. Happy trading.